How to integrate Trello with Discord. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can integrate Trello with Discord. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and open your Trello boards. Once you are on your Trello app, you simply have to click this workspace over here. I'm going to go with this workspace, so simply click your board over here by clicking the board option, and then you have to just choose any board. Like I'm going to select this board over here. Now you can see I have opened this board, and now you'll be able to see this rocket icon over here. Click this option. It should say power-ups, and then you have to click add power-ups. Now it's going to open this window for you, and here you have to search for Discord. Just type in Discord over here, and then you can see this Discord notifications option. Click it, and once you click it, it's going to bring this page for you. Now you have to simply click add over here. You have to connect your Trello board to your Discord server and stay up to date with cards and list changes. Just choose board events you want to be notified about and a channel on your Discord server. It's that easy. Simply click add. Once you click add, you have to click add again. Just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see this add option and click it. Now you can go back and click this power ups option again, and here you'll be able to see the Discord option over here. Click settings, and here you can see I have to now authorize the account. Click authorize account. For that, you have to just click check this box and then click authorize. And now it's going to open this page for you. And here you can see, would you like to give the following application access to your account? And here you have to scroll down until you see these options that says allow, and click allow. And once you click allow, you have now integrated Trello with Discord. And that's how you integrate Trello with Discord.